Hey everyone, an affordable upright vacuum cleaner with remarkable characteristics for its price range is the Dreame Trouver J30. It is normally priced between $120 and $150, but during promotions, it frequently falls below $100, making it a desirable choice for people looking for high-quality performance at a reasonable price. The vacuum cleaner comes with a full set of accessories in a branded packaging. The primary unit, a collapsible extension tube, and multiple cleaning nozzles, including wet, furniture, and crevice cleaning, a turbo brush, a wall-mounted holder, and an instruction booklet are all included. A noteworthy feature for the price is the turbo brush for furniture, which is uncommon in this market. A 450-watt motor powers the Dreame Trouver J30, providing up to 24,000 pascals of suction power. Its detachable battery makes charging easy, and the main unit's informative display gives information about power levels and working modes. There are 3 power modes to ensure flexible performance for different cleaning requirements. A HEPA-based filtration system effectively captures dust and allergens, and the dust container is simple to empty and fully detachable for comprehensive cleaning. Because the extension tube of the vacuum is foldable, cleaning beneath low furniture is simple. For visibility in dimly lit places, the main floor nozzle has an LED illumination system and a swivel joint. Its roller fits both carpets and hard surfaces and is simple to remove and clean. The vacuum may be used as a mop for wet cleaning thanks to a detachable water reservoir with a Velcro napkin attachment. The Dreame Trouver J30 showed good suction power in performance tests. It effectively removed material from carpets, floors, and deep crevices. However, because the nozzle design lacked grooves, it had some trouble with larger material, such as cat litter. Although noisier than some competitors, the noise levels range from 71 to 83 decibels, which can be ascribed to its strong motor. Just under 11 minutes was the battery life in turbo mode, which is typical for cordless devices in this class. It is lightweight and manageable, weighing about 2.5 kilos when fully completed. Its adaptability is increased by the provided attachments, which make it appropriate for cleaning cars, furniture, and small areas. High suction power, excellent cleaning capabilities, detachable parts, and considerate features like LED lighting and a folding tube shape are the vacuum cleaner's strong points. The inability to park vertically outside of its holder, higher noise levels, and trouble with heavier trash are minor disadvantages. All things considered, the Dreame Trouver J30 is a great buy, especially when you buy it during a sale. It is one of the greatest choices in its category for less than $100. Customers may have to compare its characteristics to those of other Dreame models when competition rises at higher price points. The Dreame Trouver J30 is a good option for anyone searching for a dependable and adaptable cordless vacuum cleaner without going over budget. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this vacuum cleaner? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day, and God bless you.